to Block 7. Today, we're exploring the naka S.K.I House, a multigenerational holiday home designed by Roberts Gray Architects, located in the Otago region of New Zealand's South Island. The naka S.K.I House is a special project for its clients, who have a deep emotional connection to this area. Over the past 2 decades, they have witnessed Wanaka's transformation from a quaint holiday town to a bustling, increasingly urban area. Although their previous home no longer suited the evolving context of the site, their desire to stay in this cherished location remained strong. Thus, they engaged Roberts Gray Architects to design a new home that would usher in a new era of family holidays in this beloved place. With views of the Buchanan Peaks and Lake Wanaka, the surrounding topography is integral to the site's experience and identity. The area is closely tied to outdoor activities such as boating, fishing, and snow sports in winter. Given the extreme climate, freezing temperatures in winter and scorching heat with strong winds in summer, the house needed to address these contrasts. Roberts Gray Architects designed the home as a series of solid forms and flowing outdoor spaces, enclosed by a lightweight screen. The front elevation is intentionally linear and abstract, piquing curiosity, while a brick wall partially across the site signifies the transition from public to private space. As you cross through a discreet opening in the screen, the home gradually reveals itself, starting from an outdoor courtyard and terrace. This approach creates a dramatic and staged experience, drawing you further into the house. The kitchen is designed with cooking enthusiasts in mind. It provides high functionality while remaining informal and welcoming. Elements like the Fisher and Paykel column refrigerator and freezer are integrated into custom oak cabinetry, ensuring visual continuity and calm. Conversely, the Fisher and Paykel oven and cooktop are focal points, their refined design standing out within the kitchen's quiet and tactile timber-led space. The straightforward yet effective layout, centered around a large island bench with views, creates a social atmosphere suitable for a family holiday home. The kitchen's cladding, made of Silver River marble, adds gravitas to the subdued palette of the space, with its rich veining reminiscent of the rivers and mountains that define the South Island's unique identity. backyard, inspired by the layout of the client's previous home, reflects their love for Wanaka and the specific site. With its expansive lawn, children can play freely, and the design maintains a neighborly connection, allowing for casual interactions. The rear terrace, facing north, features a DCS grill for effortless outdoor cooking and dining, with the screen providing necessary shelter from the wind. At the front, a two-story masonry volume houses the main bedroom and a second living room, offering privacy and stunning views. The majority of the home is on a single level, with guest bedrooms featuring individual courtyards to the west, and an open-plan kitchen, dining, and living area facing a rear lawn. This design creates varied spaces that are enjoyable throughout the seasons. Overall, the Wanaka S.K.I House is a beautiful example of architecture that blends sustainability and contextual relevance with a design that creates a satisfying living experience throughout the year. Thank you for joining us on Block 7. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating home designs in the future. See you on the next tour.